everyone. Welcome to Oil Gas YouTube channel. This is our first lecture of reservoir engineering. In this lecture, we are going to discuss that what basically the reservoir engineering is, who is a reservoir engineer, and what are his major responsibilities. So let's start the lecture. First of all, we will discuss that what basically the reservoir engineering is. We are going to discuss the definition of reservoir engineering. So basically, the reservoir engineering is a sub-discipline of petroleum engineering. In reservoir engineering, we apply the mathematical principles to the reservoir model and calculate that how many hydrocarbons are present inside the reservoir, how many of them are recoverable, and we apply these principles on the petroleum reservoir throughout the life of the reservoir, and we are continuously performing the reservoir engineering calculation by applying these mathematical principles on reservoir and continuously focusing on that how the performance of a reservoir can increase uh, with technology and with time. So basically, if we talk about reservoir engineering, so reservoir engineering can be defined as it is a sub-discipline or it is a branch of petroleum engineering in which we apply mathematical principles to the reservoir model throughout its development and production period to obtain the maximum economic recovery. So this is reservoir engineering, and a person, an engineer who has a great knowledge of reservoir engineering principles is a reservoir engineer. So reservoir engineer is a person, is an engineer who have the knowledge of reservoir engineering. So here we are going to discuss that what are two major responsibilities of a reservoir engineer. So first major responsibility of a reservoir engineer is to calculate the hydrocarbon in place. Hydrocarbon in place. Or we can also say it as initial hydrocarbon in place. We know that, let's suppose this is a reservoir, and when this reservoir is discovered, there is some volume of hydrocarbon which is present inside the reservoir, which is unknown at the initial stage. So a reservoir engineer is responsible to calculate that how much volume of hydrocarbons are present in this reservoir. So hydrocarbon in place means that how much volume or what amount of hydrocarbons are present inside the reservoir. Or initial hydrocarbon in place means that how much volume of hydrocarbon are present in the reservoir at initial condition, or we can say before, as the at the time at which the reservoir is discovered. So come to the second factor. The reservoir engineer is also responsible to calculate the recovery factor. So let us discuss that what basically the recovery factor is. Recovery factor can be defined as it is the volume of recoverable hydrocarbons divided by volume of hydrocarbons initially in place. Means the volume of the total in the denominator, the term volume of hydrocarbon initially in place is representing that what amount of total hydrocarbon is present inside the reservoir at the initial condition when the reservoir is discovered. And we know that it is impossible to recover all the volume of hydrocarbon which is present inside the reservoir because of multiple reasons. We will discuss these reasons in some other video, but we know that it is impossible to recover the 100% volume of hydrocarbon. So the volume of hydrocarbons which are present inside the reservoir are different, and the volume of recoverable hydrocarbons are different. So what percentage of hydrocarbons are recovered? It is represented by a term which is recovery factor. So the volume of recoverable hydrocarbons from the total volume of hydrocarbon which are present inside the reservoir can be described in terms of a number which is known as recovery factor, and its value ranges from 0 to 1. So the second responsibility of the reservoir engineer is to calculate the recovery factor, and a reservoir engineer is also responsible to increase the value of this recovery factor, because okay, the reservoir engineer is also responsible to increase the value of this recovery factor. And how the value of this recovery factor can be increased? This can be increased by increasing the volume of recoverable hydrocarbons. In the second video lecture of the reservoir engineering, we are going to discuss that what is the volume of recoverable hydrocarbons, what is recovery factor, and how the value of recovery factor can be increased. And in this video we have discussed that what is reservoir engineering and what are the two major responsibilities of a reservoir engineer. A reservoir engineer is calculate the total volume of hydrocarbon which is present inside the reservoir, and a reservoir engineer is also responsible to calculate and improve the value of recovery factor by applying the mathematical principles of the reservoir engineering. Thank you.